Is it okay to eat eggs every day? It wasn't long ago that dieters were advised to avoid eggs for fear of their fat content and the effect they could have on cholesterol levels. Now the conventional wisdom is changing, with experts nominating whole eggs to be dubbed the next superfood. Doctors have switched their thinking about eggs in the wake of new findings that prove 1 to 2 eggs per day won't harm most people. Here are 5 more nutrition facts that might change the way you look at eggs. Fact 1. Eggs won't harm your cholesterol. Recent studies have exonerated eggs of their bad reputation. Eggs contain heart-healthy omega-3s and choline. Even egg yolks have been welcomed back to the breakfast table. They contain mostly unsaturated fat, which does not contribute to the buildup of cholesterol in the blood. While egg yolks do contain dietary cholesterol, less than 25% of the cholesterol we eat translates to higher blood cholesterol. In fact, dietary cholesterol raises blood cholesterol levels in only 1/3 of people. Saturated and trans fats are the major contributors to high cholesterol and heart disease. Eggs contain heart-healthy unsaturated fat and B vitamins. Fact 2. Eggs deliver great protein for a few calories. Each egg serves up 6 grams of high-quality, highly digestible protein. It's no wonder bodybuilders have guzzled egg whites for years in an effort to increase their protein intake. But if you're only eating the whites, you're missing out on a host of dietary benefits. The protein and fat in whole eggs have been proven to decrease hunger and contribute to overall diet success. Also, eggs weigh in at a skinny 70 calories each. Just one egg can mean the difference between binging at lunchtime or staying on track to meet your weight loss goals. Fact 3. Eggs are full of vitamins and minerals. As women have known for years, eggs promote strong, healthy hair and fingernails. What we didn't realize was that eggs are almost the perfect food. They are an excellent source of vitamins A, B complex, D, and E. Eggs also contain plenty of iodine, zinc, selenium, calcium, iron, folate, and antioxidants. In fact, eggs contain all necessary vitamins and minerals except vitamin C. Farm fresh eggs also contain EPA and DHA, brain-enhancing essential fats that act as superfoods in their own right. Fact 4. Eggs contribute to total body wellness. The vitamins and unsaturated fat in eggs contribute to heart health, which is pleasantly ironic considering the bad reputation eggs have had in the past. But eggs benefit our bodies in many ways. Studies have linked whole eggs to improved eye health, brain development, healing ability, thyroid and nerve function, and weight management. One study showed that people who ate eggs for breakfast lost twice as much weight as those who made a bagel as their first meal of the day. Fact 5. Eggs contain the miracle nutrient choline. Choline is an important nutrient that most people don't get enough of. That's because rich choline sources are rare. Fortunately, whole eggs are a good, convenient source of choline. Why is choline so important? It helps regulate our brains, nervous systems, and cardiovascular functions. 2 eggs provide half of our recommended daily amount of choline. That's good news for most of us, as studies have shown that 90% of all Americans are choline deficient. It's important to note that whole, natural eggs are healthier than either pourable liquid eggs or powdered eggs. Also, don't sabotage the many health benefits of eggs by serving them up with greasy bacon and sausage. A couple of boiled eggs with a slice of whole grain toast and a piece of fruit will get your day started right. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel DocOnline to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.